Hello again. If you stayed with us throughout the tutorial, I'm sure all of you know how to create your platform. Now we're going to look at how to make it more interactive for your users. So I'll be taking you through the meeting room configurations, the menu configurations, assigning moderators, the networking and the conference zones, chat, poll, Q&A, notification and sessions. So let's get started. Today we're going to look at how to configure the menu on the platform. Now the menu is nothing but this drop down that appears here on the page. So it's set to this value right now. This also opens the user profile, by the way, which we already looked at while we were covering the chat widget. Now we're going to look at how to configure the menus, which are nothing but hyperlinks that will take you within the platform. So it's going to link all the different pages that you create into a neat menu that will be available to you every time. So you can use this to navigate to different pages onto the platform. Now, how to configure this? So you can see that the color here has been set to white for the menu and the accents are set to black. That has been done from this option here. So if you scroll down, you're going to see menu configurations. Just go to menu configurations and when you click on menu configurations, it's going to give you the option to select the colors and the shades that you want. So I've already got this option saved here, but I'm just going to quickly run you through how you can do this. Title is of course something that is editable. You can put in any text that you want here. The tooltip text is again customizable, and then you've got menu color, which is set to white. So white is, the hex code for white is 6 times F. I'm sure by this time in the module, you know how to get these codes. Just go to this website, select the shade that you want, and put in the alphanumeric value here. Once you have decided the accent colors and the menu form color, you can select the view types. Now, this can either be positioned on the left of the screen or on the right. So this is the configuration that we have saved for the menu on the platform, which is why our menu is, white with these darker accents. Now, how do I add these icons and how do I link them to the individual pages? Let's look at that. So we're going to go to menu configurations again, and then we're going to go to menus this time. So you'll see all the rooms have already been linked here, but in case if you're adding a new room, this is how the configuration is going to look like. So you've got the option to add an icon, title, text, and then you've got your link types. So let's just say, this is the icon that I want. Of course, you'll have to get your designers to give you these icons, or you can download something off from the internet as well. So these icons that you're seeing here, this is where you upload each icon and link it to a particular page. So just upload an icon that you want, put in the title. Let's say if you're working around the exhibition, you can sorry about that, you can put in the title and the text here. And then we come to the link types. Now the link types can be external as well. So in case if you have like a form that you want to link to the platform or any other website that you want to send your attendees to after the event, you can put in an external link, which could be a simple URL or a simple browser link for any of the sites or any third-party integration that you need to do. So just copy the link from that website or that landing page, paste it here in the external links section, and select external from here. But if you want to create internal navigation points, just select internal, and that is going to give you this entire list. Since we're creating a hotspot for the exhibition, I'm going to select the exhibition area from the drop down list here. So that's all you need to do. That's as simple as it is. I'm not going to save this configuration because we're just looking at how you can configure them. But if you notice some of the configurations that have already been saved here, so for example, let's look at the exhibition area itself. This is exactly what has been done here. We've got the icon image here. We've uploaded that onto the platform. Then we have put in the title text and the tooltip text. We've selected internal from here and we've selected exhibition area. That's all you need to do to add all of these icons, and that's all you need to do to link them to the particular areas as well. So that's how you configure the menu. That's how you can shift it from the left to the right, make color changes. All of that can be done from the admin.